Hello, once again I'm going to be working with some wood. I wanted to show you this wood here. This is American maple, rock maple with a mineral oil finish. I'm going to make it a little bit darker. I'm going to lightly sand it, just like that. And then I'm going to clean it off with a little towel, just like that. Okay, and then I'm going to hit it with a little bit of our house dark walnut stain, just like this. Okay, and I'm going to let this penetrate for at least 1 to 2 hours, and I'll be back to show you what this looks like in a couple hours. Okay, and here is our maple with the walnut stain. And this, now I have left this on for about an hour, and I'm just rubbing some of it off. Kind of a distress look. I like it. If you want it to be a little darker, a little more even, real simple. Go with a good quality walnut stain, brush it on, leave it on another couple hours. It's going to get darker for you. Okay, once again I got this beautiful piece of maple, hard rock maple that I've sanded. I've stained it twice now, and I'm getting ready to apply the non-toxic gel, food safe for all wood surfaces. So here we go. A little bit of wisdom for you here. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Used yogurt container. Perfect vessel for something like this. You could cover this with plastic and use it for several days. Keeps going. So take a little bit out of the can, put it in a yogurt container, you're good to go. This brush is prehistoric, but it's still working. You put it on, and overnight it's going to level out. I'm going to do the side for you also, so you can just compare the side, the natural maple, to my walnut stain. Okay, so this will level out by tomorrow, and it's going to look a little bit more like this walnut. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, we're back again. It's the next day. So here we have the maple that's been stained with the house stain, clear coat of food safe varnish. This is maple with food safe varnish. You can notice it's much smoother, and here we've left a little bit of a textured line. We're trying to match this walnut, so it's interesting. Some people might like it, so might be good for you. I'm not sure. I noticed the little bit of lines, little texture here from the finish. So once again, we're using fine sandpaper around a block of wood. Seal, clean towel. Okay. And now this is ready for a second coat. All right. Pretty cool. I would call this stained distressed maple, this look right here. Okay. And walnut stain distressed maple. Here's the walnut, and once again here is the maple with the varnish. So that gives you some ideas, some possibilities here. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Best of all, if you need butcher block or the finish, right there. Have a great day.